So in today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can change the background of a video using a green screen with the VN Video Editor. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open the VN application. After opening the application, you need to click on New Project and then click on the option at the top here. After that, you need to scroll down a little and bring in your video that has the green screen. For example, here is a video. First, you need to bring in the other video, the one you want to apply the green screen effect to. So, this is my video. After that, you need to delete it, and then bring in your second video, the one with the green screen, and place it here. Now, you might be facing the issue that the video you want to apply the green screen effect to is appearing first, and the other video is showing up separately on the side, not on top of it here, so you can't easily remove the green screen. To fix this issue, you need to click on the video with the green screen, and then you'll see an option for track. You need to click on that option and proceed as directed, following the instructions carefully. As soon as you click on it, this layer will move to the top. Now, you need to drag this layer and place it over the video, aligning it with the starting point wherever it is. Then, you need to grab it from here and here and zoom it in. Now, as you can see, our video has been zoomed in. So, what do you need to do next? Now, you need to scroll these options to the left, and you have to find an option here called Chroma, the one for removing this Chroma option. You need to click on it, and then this option will appear. You have to take it to the green screen, either on this side or that side, wherever you think it fits best. I'm grabbing it from here and moving it over there. Now, place it here, and after that, you need to adjust the intensity settings a little. Set the intensity to 50, because as you can see here, there's still some green showing. You need to remove that, so increase the intensity a bit. Now look here. See here, now the green isn't as visible or obvious anymore, and you can adjust the spill a little as well. Now, after that, let's click Done. Now let's play the video and see how it looks. You've made this video. Yes, look here, this video. It's a little too high, so let's move it down a bit. Now let's see. Yes, see how perfectly the background has been removed from the green screen? So, that was today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Subscribe to our channel.